Good afternoon. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well and amazing. For today's vlog, guys, I would like to share with you. I will be cooking for my dinner pork humba. Pork humba for my dinner for today. And I want to cook it early because I'm on diet and I want to eat before 6 o'clock. So let's go, guys. I will cook my humba, pork humba. So I will show you. This, guys, for my pork humba for today. I use the pork belly to make a humba. So for the ingredients, guys, first I wash the pork and then I slice it and cut it into small piece so that it will cook easier and it must be tender. So first I boiled it in the water for 3 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes. I boiled it and then I wash out to get all the impurities that was present on the meat and wash it. And then next I saute the onion, garlic, that's it. And then I put back the meat and then I put the laurel or the bay leaves. And then I put a little bit of SPRITE. I put banana heart blossom. I put star anise in it. I put calamansi juice. I put soy sauce. I put on it a little bit of sugar and salt, pepper, black pepper. And then I cook it, slow cook for 1 hour and a half to make it very, very soft and tender. So, and I will be serving it with purple rice. This is my purple rice. So this is my purple rice, guys. So that's how I do my humba. Serve with purple rice. And then I slow cook for this guys for 1 hour and 30 minutes in a slow fire so that it will really be very soft and tender, that the meat will be separate easily from the bones. Kung baga lasang-lasa to the bones. So that's my humba, guys, with spring onion leaves. I put on that one with onion, plenty of onions and garlic and black beans. I put also black beans in it, guys. Black beans. And I will put down below all the ingredients, the complete ingredients, so that you can follow and taste my own version of making humba. So this is it, pancit, guys. So ready na yung humba natin. Then we will get ready to eat soon for my dinner before 6 o'clock in the evening. So let's do it. This is it, pancit canton. Guys, there is also spring onions in that and onions, white onions, and I put some SPRITE in it. So this is the finished product for the humba, guys. So let's eat. So guys, kain tayo. This is my finished product, guys. Purple rice or black rice served with humba or pork stew. Very yummy, guys. Kainan na, guys. Let's eat. Guys, kainan. Let's eat. This is the pork humba or pork stew. Now. So yummy. Yum yum. Yum yum na. forgot my stick. I forgot my stick. My stick, baby, it's still in the chip. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Kain. Dog. Humba na. Humba na dis. Humba na dis. Nam nam. Very yummy. Yum yum na. Spring onion. Spring onion. And this one, the meat. And black beans. Salted black beans. And then I put Sprite in it to tenderize the meat. And I cook it 1 hour and a half. If not tender, you can put in the pressure cooker. If you have pressure cooker, guys, you could put in the pressure cooker or in the casserole or in the slow cooker. Very yummy. I use white onion. Yum. You want more rice? I cut it small so that it become not so tough. Enough? Serve with black rice, purple rice. Yum yum. I drink little with Sprite. I serve it with Sprite. Yummy. Sprite, guys, serve it with Sprite. Very yummy. Ubos yung kanin. Buti na lang na tender yung meat. Mm. 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 Very yummy guys. As in yummy.